Okay, today we're going to look at simplifying algebraic expressions. Whenever you've got an algebraic expression that's made up of more than one term, we can try and simplify it. You can't simplify every algebraic expressions, but many you can. In order to simplify algebraic expressions, we need to find like terms. So like terms are terms that are the same type of term. So in this case, I've got an A and an A and another A. They're all A's, so they are like terms. If I look at an expression down here, I've got A's and I've got X's. An A and an X would be unlike terms. You couldn't simplify an A with an X. So you can only simplify like terms. So I've got a number of examples here that we're going to go through. So start off quite simply. A plus A plus A would be 3A. 5x plus 7x, well, I've add 5x to my 7x and that will give me 12x. 7b minus 5b minus 9b. So they can be plus or minus. It's very important that we look at the signs. So 7b minus 5b would be 2b, and then take another 9b away, and then we're with negative 7b. So you can have negative or positive simplifications. When I get to one like this with two different types of terms in, I'm probably going to have two different types of terms in the answer. And I look at each type of term separately. So I'm going to look at the A parts first. 7a take 11a will give me negative 4a. And then my X parts, I've got here plus 4x plus 9x. And that will give me positive 13x. Do need to put the sign in there, that's very important. I can't do anything more with that. To try and simplify that would be wrong. Sometimes instead of having a letter, it might just be a number. So I'll look at the X parts first. So my 4x minus 2x would be 2x. And I've got plus 3 minus 7 would be minus 4. So the numbers would simplify to give one final number. Got to be careful with one like this. I've got 6x squared minus 2x plus 3x squared. These look like they're all like terms, but actually they aren't. An x squared is a different type of term than an x. So I can look at the 2x squared terms together. 6x squared plus 3x squared would be 9x squared. And then I can't simplify the minus 2x any more than it already is. If I look at this expression here, 6a plus 3b plus 3ab, and ab is neither an a nor a b, so that one you can't actually simplify. That one you can't simplify at all. This next one, I've got these terms that are ab's. I've got 2ab plus 5ab, that would be 7ab. They're like terms because they're both ab's. And then the b parts, plus 3b minus b would be plus 2b. And the final one, a little bit confusing, 3a squared b plus 5ab squared. At first glance they look the same, but this term has got the a squared and a single b. This one has got the b squared and a single a. So those ones are unlike terms and you can't simplify that one either.